Yo guys, what's up, man? Welcome back to the New York session. Let's see if we can carry on winning like we've been doing on the Find the Pro streams. But yeah, so we have the locals in the chat. Nifa, Thomas, what's up? Joe, what's up, buddy? What's up? So, let's see what this New York session is gonna bring, man, guys. The previous stream we just did was a wild one again, I won't lie. The account is sitting at $17,000 in profit, guys. 17K. And I'm eligible for payout. I can request a payout right now if I wanted to, as I've hit my 5 winning days. But what I'm going to be doing is I'm just going to wait a bit. I'm going to wait a bit on this account, I think. Now, the reason I might request Monday, Tuesday, depending Wednesday. And the reason I want to do that is I'm wanting to grow my account to 20K, right? Because I've got one more payout before they move me to the daily payouts, which is a big achievement for Find the Pro Futures. And when I hit the daily payouts, I am wanting to have a huge fucking buffer in the account. I want the buffer to be huge, man. Because if I go into daily payouts with about a $15,000 buffer, you can imagine how much money I can be requesting every single day. I'm currently consistently making $1,000 a day on average, sometimes more. If I can be requesting easily 1 to 2K a day, that would be almost 10K weeks, man. Like 5 to 10K weeks, I'll be extremely happy with that. So I have a long-term goal with these accounts. I'm looking long-term. I'm not thinking right now. A lot of people would be withdrawing right now. I don't necessarily need a payout now, if that makes sense. It's not urgent for me. So my camera's back and forth jumping like a motherfucker. So yeah, I'm just gonna go with it. And when I'm feeling it, I'm gonna request live again. So yeah. Let me get the chat up on the screen for you guys so you can see, and then we're gonna start the New York session, guys, and see what we get. Browser. And I did say on previous stream, guys, we need to celebrate. It's Friday. It is Friday, and I know some of you might be working right now, so what I'm going to show you might not be possible. But okay, guys, there's a chat on the screen. Sorry guys, I'm just getting the chat up on the screen for you guys. So guys, it's Friday. Make sure that you have a water, because guys, we need to stay hydrated on Fridays. Thomas, you better have a fucking water with you there, because this is going to be a big New York session and we need to go big on this New York session. Not too big, but to sip of water, stay hydrated is how it should be. It's Friday, guys. We've had such a successful week. I am going to be sipping on a water throughout the rest of the stream. So cheers. Anyways, sorry guys, the fiance just texted me. What is going on? No, that's my first Nifa. This is my first water of the day, and I've just cracked it open. Don't worry, guys. I don't drink and trade. I don't. But sipping a beer, and it's so hot, guys. It's almost 30 degrees outside, man. It's summertime. Having an ice cold one is not. It's a good idea. Huh. Okay, so guys, let me just read the chat. Okay, cool. We're gonna do a little quick breakdown again. Just kind of catching up what's been going on since our last stream. Brother, what EMA are you using? I'm using EMA 9. EMA 9. That's the EMA I'm using. Okay. So guys, let me just quickly respond. Sorry guys, my girl's busy tattooing. Cool. So guys, obviously I was looking for price to come up into Wednesday's high, right? Let me just zoom out. We can see price was so close to tapping all-time high again. I still think we're going to get there. Man. I'm not going to lie. So let's see what's going to happen. The only thing we can do right now in this New York session is just react to what price is currently doing. Overall, yes, I am bullish. I want to see buys. But depending on how this hourly closes, if we close below EMA, there's a possibility we can drop and sell off into this key level down here, sitting at the 250 area, right? We can probably drop into the 250s, right? If we can stay, let me just, draw this level. Oh, guys, sorry, I deleted a level by accident. If we can hold the 30, if we can hold 30K, I can potentially see us going higher. So let's just say the 300, right, is this is a very good level. We can see price keeps coming into it, comes into it buying. If we break below this level, we could drop easily into this level down here, which is a big trade. Now, do I want to see that? I don't know, to be honest. I don't really want to see price get below this level. I want to see price hold EMA, man. As long as we hold the EMA, the chances of us going into all-time highs is going to be high. Like, we have a high chance of pushing into all-time highs. I tried to long to the all-time high. The motherfucker stopped me twice. Yeah, just wait. We are currently in a bit of a range right now, guys. Like, look at this. We are ranging a bit right now. Let's go look at the 4 hourly, what the 4 hourly has been doing. It's very important as well. Yeah, 4 hourly is very small, guys. 4 hourly is currently in a range. We can see it's a very tight candle. Look at the 4 hourly candle. You guys need to practice candle science. Very, very, very important. Understanding candle closures and what candles are doing on lower time frames. But look at this candle, guys. The previous 4 hourly closed very bearish, right? I mean bullish, sorry. This current 4 hourly candle is currently sitting inside previous candle. It's ranging a bit right now, so we're going to need to see some sort of breakout on a lower time frame. We're going to need to see some sort of breakout on a lower time frame. That's what I would like to see. So as long as we can hold this level, man, and we stay above this level, I want to see NQ keep going higher. I want to see it going higher. We're so fucking bullish right now, man. In order to be shorting this, you wild. If you're looking to short NASDAQ right now, the only reason you're going to be shorting NASDAQ is because of FOMO. You don't want to miss out on a short because we've been bullish for so long. Let's just be honest. There's nothing telling you we're going to drop from this all-time. We're at an all-time high. Like, why are you looking to fucking sell? Do you know what I mean? Like, why? So, anyways. 4 hourly currently sitting in a bit of a range. The hourly having a slight little... Oh, sorry, that's the 1 minute. The fuck? The hourly having some sort of pullback. Yeah. Minor pullback, nothing crazy. Just the hourly's pulling back a bit. And yeah, let's see if we can get volume to get an entry into Wednesday's high, into all-time high. Guys, we're so close to all-time high. If price was to sell off from here, it would be because NQ is trying to gather a shit ton of liquidity sitting above these wicks, right? At these highs. NQ is probably trying to get liquidity. I know for sure there's so many people selling right now up here. I know how NASDAQ goes. NASDAQ will somewhat fake people that it's going to short and this thing is going to reverse and buy. That's what happened yesterday. That's what happened yesterday in New York session, right? NASDAQ faked those sellers and then it just reversed and it took off to the fucking moon after. But what's going to help us have an edge in the session is this EMA. This EMA is going to tell us a big story, as it always does. So as long as we're holding above in EMA and the time frames are lining up, then yeah, we're just going to fucking execute it. Okay, 15 minute. -minute ranging right now, guys. We are ranging on the 15 minutes. So maybe, guys, I think in this kind of scenario, what we need to see, we're going to need to trade 15-minute candles right now. I don't want to be going to 5 minutes. Remember, higher time frames hold a lot more power. So if we can start closing back above EMA on the 15-minute, coming off of this level down here, then yes, we can maybe see price push into the all-time high. right? So yeah, let's see what it's gonna do. Okay. You guys need to just keep this session very, very fucking simple. I'm not going to be risking too much this session, guys. I'm going to be going like very good on my risk management, guys. And the reason for being, we've taken 2 wins already today, man. Like, we've taken 2 wins. I am open to obviously trading more. That's why I'm here, right? So if I see a setup, I'm going to execute it. But I need to make sure that my setup that I take this New York session is going to be an A+. I'm only going to be taking A+ setups, right? That's all I'm going to be looking for. A+ only. Because it is Friday as well. It is Friday. And we are in a bit of a range right now. So if I am going to take a setup, it needs to be an A fucking plus, right? It has to. So yeah, let's see what happens then. But we'd have the 15 has closed back below EMA. We are holding below EMA right now. Let's see what happens. If price might sell off into this level down here. Let's see what happens if we come into this level down here. The 250s. No, the 300s. Sorry, level 300. 300s. No, I did not talk about inside bars. I didn't talk about the inside bars yet. I'll talk about the inside bars, guys. I'm going to be talking about... Thank you for reminding me, Thomas, actually. I almost forgot, bro. So, guys, I'm going to be talking about inside bars in the next few minutes. So just stay tuned if you want to hear about it. But it is very, very, very important information when it comes to increasing your win rate. Because an inside bar, guys... It will, once you understand what it is and how it works, it'll blow your fucking mind out the water. Like, it really will. And it's my favorite candle pattern. Why? Because it just tells a fucking big story every single time. And they work a lot. They work a lot, right? So I'm going to be talking about the inside bars now. So every New York stream, I'm going to be dropping a little bit of my strategy, but I'm going to be going in depth, right? I'm not going to be roughly explaining it like I do on the Funder Pro stream. This is the stream where I'm going to really be going in depth with my strategy, so you guys can start seeing it the way I see it now. I know a lot of you already do, but yeah, guys, check it NQ right now. We've come down into the 300. Let's see how we hold that level. So yeah, let's talk about my inside bar very, very shortly, right? And yeah, it will blow your fucking mind away once you understand it. I can guarantee that, bro. And I learned this from my mentor. So please drop the EMA video. Yeah, guys, I've already started filming my EMA video, right? I've already started filming the video, man. You need to understand something, right? I don't want my video just to be... This is how EMA works. I need you guys to... When you watch the video, I need you to understand how I see it. Because if you understand how I see it, you will do well. If you don't understand how I see an EMA, you're not going to do as well as what I could possibly be doing on an EMA. So I'm creating the video so you guys see it exactly like I see it. Right? Can I vent real quick? Yeah, so I know the wiggly one works, but I don't know why I'm nervous to use when it comes to taking shorts. So you have any advice, like only a bullish bias? Yeah, so that's a very good thing Nifa just said in the chat, guys. Let me just say something. And Nifa, you new to trading, right? So I'm going to say something very, very clear. It's normal for you to be afraid to short. Do you know why I say that? Because ever since you started watching me stream 2 months ago, or like a month and a half ago, majority of my trades, I'm talking 90% of my trades, have been buys. We've been longing NASDAQ consistently. Therefore, your brain Oh, sorry guys, guys, my mic is so annoying. Every time, like, there's a button at the top and I keep tapping it. Did you hear anything I said? What is the last thing you heard me say? What is the last thing you heard me say? I might have to repeat. Apologies about that. Alright. So what I was saying, Nifa, your mind, I'm sorry guys if you didn't hear me, but Nifa, your mind has been so stuck on buys because Nasdaq has been rallying higher for the last 2 months, right? Ever since you really started taking trading seriously. So that's normal for your mind to feel safer taking buys using the strategy, because that's all you've really been doing, haven't you? And that's all I've been doing on stream. I've just been buying. And we've been winning. So yeah, your mind feels safer taking a long. Now, what's going to make you a good trader is if you're able to switch buys to sells and still feel as confident in a short than what you would as a buy. Because at the end of the day, at some point, this market is going to reverse and we are going to start selling off. I don't know when, but it's going to happen at some point. It's trading, right? But we need to adjust to that. Yeah? What's going to make you a good trader is to be able to sell today and then after buying for 2 weeks straight. Just say to yourself, like, at the end of the day, whether you're selling or whether you're buying, right? The strategy is the exact same. It's a whole mindset, it's a whole mind shift thing that you need to get past, right? That's part of psychology as well. That's a psychological aspect that you need to get over. Can you guys hear me now? Tell me you guys can hear me now, because the mic is on. Yeah, exactly. Don't marry the bias. Just stick to the... That's why I say we can't predict what tomorrow is going to do. We can't predict what next week's going to do. Like, do you know what I mean? We can't even predict. Like, we can have an idea of what New York Session is going to do, but at the same time, like, New York Session can just sell off for some fucking unknown reason. Do you know? That's why don't marry the buys, like just like the guy said in the chat. Just trade what you see in front of you. And if your daily bias is bearish, you just need to fucking short that shit, man. Don't be longing something if it's going down. That's all I'm saying. Don't be selling something if it's going up. And yeah, we've been on a huge motherfucking winning streak. I won't even fucking lie. We've been on a huge fucking winning streak. And I know for a fact that when this market starts reversing, a lot of the guys watching stream are going to struggle to stay on a winning streak. Do you know what I mean? Because they are going to have FOMO when price starts dropping. They're going to not feel confident. They're going to enter too early. They're going to enter too late. Whatever it may be. Okay? Just as a new trader as you are, all I'm going to say is that if you... Buying and selling is the fucking same thing. You just, whatever that daily candle's currently doing, you just go with it. Just go with it. Don't overthink it. And a little tip, guys, about Nasdaq. When Nasdaq wants to sell, it fucking sells hard, and that's where you can make. Some of my biggest trades have been on the shorts. Some of my biggest trades have been on shorts on Nasdaq. I promise you, my biggest trades have been me selling Nasdaq. Anyways, let's move past that. Fuck, it's hot, bro. Whew. Let me just open the window, guys. Just give me a moment. All right. Okay. So, guys, inside bars. Let's talk inside bars, right? But before we do, we're having a nice reaction off this 300 level, guys. We're having a very nice reaction off this level. What's the 5 minute doing? 5 minute, okay, let's watch. Oh wait, okay, sweet. So guys, inside bars, right? What I'm going to show you right now is something that I talk about a lot in my streams, and it's something I've been using in my trading for the last 8 months. And what an inside bar is, it's a candle pattern that happens on a regular basis. An inside bar can happen on all time frames, right? Let me just turn the music down just a little bit. Inside bars can happen on all time frames, on the 1 minute, 3 minute, 5 minute, 15 minute, 30 minute, 1 hour, 4 hour, daily, weekly. It can happen on every single time frame. Okay. Now, obviously, higher time frames hold more power. So if you have an inside bar on a higher time frame compared to a lower time frame, the chances of that inside bar holding and not failing is high. The probabilities of that inside bar working out will be high. For example, if you have an inside bar on a 15 minute, okay, and then you have an inside bar on a 1 minute, that inside bar on the 15 minute will give you a better trade compared to the 1 minute inside bar. Why? Because the 1 minute time frames create so many inside bars, majority of them fail. And sometimes, guys, a higher time frame inside bar can fail. It can fail sometimes, right? That's trading. Strategies can fail, but that's part of it. You just need to identify what's a good one. And how do you do that? You combine an inside bar with an EMA. Okay. So an inside bar, what is it? He has a perfect example over here, right? Let me zoom up. And now I'm not going to be explaining this again because it's going to be in my YouTube videos, right? I'm just going to give you a brief, deep instruction of what an inside bar is. Okay, let's look over here, guys, right now. Look where I'm pointing my arrow. Just look at this low that we're currently looking at right now on the chart, right? Now, in this scenario, okay, as price is selling down, people are going to obviously want to be taking shorts, okay? But what happened, there's something that happened in the middle of this low, right, that formed, okay? Look at this, look at the middle candle. Look at this candle, guys, over here. You see this little candle? It's got two very big wicks on either side, and then there's a small body. You see that? This whole entire candle, from the low to the high, this is called an inside bar. Now, why is it called an inside bar? It's called an inside bar or an inside candle because the entirety of this candle, from the high to the low, is inside the previous candle's range, right? What I mean by that, notice at how this previous candle, let's just take the high. Oh, let's just take the high, guys. Look here, this is what I mean by that. Okay, this candle, guys, that I'm pointing at right now on the screen, if I mark off that high, okay, and I mark off this low, this candle that we're looking at is inside this previous candle range. It did not come out of it. That's called the inside bar. How do we now, how do I say it? How do I now know when to buy or sell, right? If an inside bar high gets broken, so if the high of this candle gets broken through, that's called a buy trigger. That's a signal telling you that the market will go up. Okay? If the low gets broken first, that's a signal telling you the market will go down. Okay? Right? Now, what is an inside bar? Okay, an inside bar is a consolidation that's happening. Price is trying to decide where the fuck it wants to go, but it doesn't know. So the minute this candle breaks the high of that inside bar, that's price breaking out of this consolidational range. It's a breakout. So how you trade this is, let's just for example say I have a key level over here. Okay, this is a key level. Price sold off into my key level, rejected it, boom, inside bar. Price has stalled at this level, which means that this could be a reversal, but also I got an inside bar. Okay, What happened next? I enter a buy at the break of that inside bar high. Yeah? And your stop loss, guys, always goes below the inside bar low. Always. So the trade would look like this. You enter there, stop loss, below the low of that inside bar. Now, why below the low of that inside bar and not this low down here? Because theoretically, or no, statistically, when price breaks a high of an inside bar, it should not come back down to take the low. If it does come back down to take the low, therefore that inside bar failed. Okay? It does not have to be a doji candle. An inside bar can look like anything, as long as it's inside the body of the previous fucking candle. Okay? Now, let me remove this shit quickly. I'm gonna go show you some other examples. Right? I'm gonna read your guys' comments now. Let's look over here. Great fucking example, chat. Look here. Price sold off. Boom. What happened? Look at this candle, chat. Inside bar. Why? Because this bar is inside the previous candle's bar. Yeah? This bar is inside the previous candle fucking bar. What do you do in the situation? Well, let's see. We closed back above our level. We got back above EMA slightly. What do? You enter at the break of that inside bar high to buy. And what happened? It broke that and the price just absolutely ripped. Look at you guys are fucking, look at the 5 minute. What are you talking about? You're talking about the chart. Yeah, okay. Oh, okay. Sorry, guys. I've just seen... Okay. Alright, you're showing me the current trade. Yeah. Hold on. Let me just see something quick, guys. We don't want to miss a trade together, do we? Big rejection from this level lower, guys. Honestly, guys, what I think personally... I don't want to be taking a trade off a 5 minute time frame right now, because I did say in the beginning of the stream we are in a bit of a range. I want to see price close above EMA on the 15 minute first. Okay, let's first wait for the 15 minute closure above. So we need to wait 10 more minutes, guys. If price does want to fuck off and go higher from there, it can do it. But I don't want to be rushing a buy right now, man, off the 5 minute time frame. Because we are quite choppy right now, guys, on the 5 minute. You see that? We are chopping a bit right now. So I'm gonna play it safe. I need a higher time frame like the 15 minute to break outside and close above the EMA. Right? Yeah. This will be a lot more powerful buy, guys. If we can wait for this 50 minute to close outside, we'll look for a 5 minute entry. Does that make sense? Yeah, so yeah, let's go back to the inside bar quickly, okay? Let's go back to the inside bar. And I'm going to just give one more example on it. Okay, remember what I said? I said higher time frame inside bars hold a lot more power than a lower time frame inside bar. So, pay attention to what I'm going to show you right now. And this proves my point. Like a week, I think it was a week ago. Where was it? Yeah, oh, no, it was like, fuck you know, it was a while ago. It was a few weeks ago. This is, okay, guys, I'm on the daily time frame right now, okay? This is the daily fucking time frame. I called this trade, guys, like fuck. If I was on a personal account and I was holding this, I would be fucking so rich, man. Oh my god. But look at this, guys. Here's a daily inside bar. This is the daily fucking time frame right now. This is the daily time frame. Look at this daily inside bar, chat, over here. See that? Because this bar is inside the previous candle's body and wicks. So this bar is inside previous candle bar. Price broke the fucking high, and since that high was broken, it did not stop going up. Look. Daily, 4 hourly, 1 hourly inside bars are the most powerful bias setting system that you can use. I'm telling you, that's a fact. That's just a fact. Yeah, that is just a fucking fact. That is just a fucking fact. Because if a daily inside bar is breaking out to the upside, oh my god, the next few days you're just going to be buying, because we know that price is wanting to go higher. So the 835 candle on the 5 minute is an inside bar. This one over here? Oh, this one down here. Yeah. Guys, this is an inside bar. Exactly. This is an inside bar, guys. Down here, Daniel, yeah. This candle down here is an inside bar. Look how price came into that level, rejected. What happened? Boom. Inside bar was formed. You could have taken it. I wouldn't have done it because we are ranging right now, but you could have entered that. Boom. Mind blowing. Yeah. Well spotted, bro. That is an inside bar for sure. For sure. Inside bars are happening all the time. You guys just need to identify the good ones, because if you're trading them too much, you're gonna trade one that's gonna fail on you as well. Right. So guys, look how we closed back above EMA on the 5 minute. We closed back above EMA. Obviously, you guys were saying, "Cam, look at the 5 minute. Price broke that high and now it's pushing higher." So we came into a key level, the 300. We formed an inside bar. We closed above the key level. That's like 3 confirmations right there to buy. Now, obviously, if you bought this, guys, well done. Nice trade. I just don't want to buy it right now because I needed to see that 15-minute close. That's all. That's all. Yeah. But guys, okay, enough of the lessons. There's so much more that I can tell you. That's like a small piece of the huge pie. There's so much more I can go over that I don't really want to be doing right now because I'm saving it all. But yeah, that's your little story of the inside bar. So don't ask me again. Rewatch what I said. And let's wait for the 15 minute, guys. If this 15 minute can close above, I might look to trade the next 15 minutes. Let's see. Let's see, chat. Yo, Daniel is in this trade. You crazy. Fuck, Daniel. I had this feeling you were going to be in it, bro. You've been taking a shit ton of good setups recently. I won't even lie. Daniel, you're going to be a fucking good trader at the strategy, dude. I can see it because in the group you've been fucking posting a shit ton. Let me see the Discord quick, actually. If you guys want to join my community, there's a link, guys, in the bio of this video, of the stream. Go click the link to join the community for free, man. It's for free. You guys just need to get ready for what's about to come. I'm telling you. You guys have no idea what I'm going to be releasing soon. I've been keeping it a secret. I've been keeping it a little bit of a secret. But when I'm not trading, I'm working on something. I want to tell you so bad, but I can't. The guys that are in this trade, well done. Fucking nice, man. Beautiful, beautiful trade. Honestly. That's an A+, I would say for sure. But for me, I needed to see a fifth. I just want to play it safe. That's all I'm saying. Because I've taken 2 wins. I really said, I said to you guys, if I'm going to take a trade now, I need to be like, fuck yeah, this is going to win. You know what I mean? The only thing that stopped me out of this trade was that range. Yo, Cam just popped a nice trade. Becky, thanks, man. Thanks. Yeah, this morning session was quite good, huh? This morning session was fucking good, I won't lie. It was a good session. For the guys that are holding this trade right now, if price can break through the 50s, you might have a chance to swing this into the high. Yeah, if price can break through the 50s, this might be a chance. Yo, guys, check this, man. Fucking hell. Wow, we're going for all-time highs, chat. We're gonna go. Look at this shit, bro. Look at this hourly candle, man. Look how we tapped this level again. Huge rejection. It's about to flip as well, which means that that next hourly candle, yeah, might run bullish, huh? And also, one more thing about inside bars, guys. Fuck, I don't want to keep talking about it, but one more thing about the inside bar. Look how we had the 4 hourly inside bar over here, chat, right? Look how we had the 4 hourly inside bar over here. And we broke the high and we're rallying higher on the 4 hourly. You see? Anyways, you guys have so much fucking great information now. Alright, so let me look for an entry, yeah? 1 minute. Yeah, I'm going to look to enter along, guys. I just need to wait for something. Maybe a break above the 50s. I might enter along. The only thing is that we are... Let's see, maybe a bounce of EMA. Yeah, if we can get back above the 50s, I might squeeze along. Yeah, because if I look at this hourly, I won't lie, guys, sometimes this fucking platform is so irritating. Have to keep zooming out. It's the most annoying thing, man. Okay. That's the only thing I don't like about this platform. Yeah, if this hourly candle can break its high, I'll enter long, guys. If this hourly candle flips green, I'll enter long. Because I needed to create a bottom wick and then flip green to go higher. We are holding above EMA as well, man. Yeah, Özin, nice, dude. Okay, I might enter along soon, chat. Let me quickly jump to the 5 minutes. Yeah.
Order fill.
Okay, I've entered along. I'm gonna target fucking. I'm gonna target high of the day, man. Holy shit! Imagine this thing just fucking pumps to the moon now. Okay, we broke back above the 50s. Stop loss. I'm gonna put just below EMA, man. I'm gonna put it below EMA for now. Let's see. Can we get the third win of the day? I don't know. Let's see, man. You see, the previous 5 minute, guys, was almost an inside bar. We almost had another one there. If you guys are new here and you have not yet already, subscribe, turn your notifications on. I trade New York Session Live every single day, man. Every single day, if you haven't already. And then if you want to join my community, guys, there's a link in the description of the stream. Go click that. You can join my community for free. High of day, high of day. Let's go, motherfucker. Sorry if you guys have kids at home and they can hear me. I win, bro. I only win, dude. Yo, it's hella hot, dude. Oh my god. And do you know what the problem is? I only entered 5 micros in this trade. I should have gone more. Let's see what happens at New York Open, guys. If New York Open comes and I can really see price trying to go higher, I'm gonna fucking slap 20 micros on for sure. Yo, guys, for the guys that are still in this trade from down here, oh my god, dude, you guys are milking it right now, dude. Cam's late to the party. You should have sent me the signal. Say, Cam, get in the fucking longs now. Holy fuck. Guys, France is so hot. Oh my god, it's so hot, bro. Oh. Yeah, this trade's gonna go, man. We're gonna go, dude. Look at the hourly time frame. Let's check that. No, we're gonna go, dude. No, we're gonna break through all-time highs. I'm gonna take a guess. I'm gonna make a little prediction, guys. We are gonna run this New York session. I rate we are gonna maybe get to the 450s. Why do I say the 450s? Because if we can break through all-time high, we're going to smash into those 450s. Let me tell you, if we can break the fucking all-time highs, we're going to rally into the 450s. And why do I say that? Because I want to see, I think NASDAQ can be visiting 31,000 in June, for sure. If this bullish momentum doesn't stop, 31,000 is going to be hit. So for me, I want to see us get above all-time high, and if we can hold above, we could maybe get a nice push into the 450s for sure. It's just a bit of a prediction. I mean, I can be wrong, but Cam, is that a good trade at the top of range? Let me tell you guys something. I don't care where price can currently be sitting, right? But if I have an entry, I'm gonna execute it, bro. As long as my risk management is correct. I don't care. Yeah? I don't care. And you say we're at the top of a range. We're not just at the top of a range. We are at an all-time high. Like, we've broken out of the range right now. Like, down here. We've broken out of this range down here. So, yeah. Might be a dump before the pump. Yeah, maybe, dude. Maybe. Maybe, just maybe. Yeah, she's buying. She's buying for sure. Guys, we're almost at the big 150 subscribers on my YouTube channel, guys. Come on, if you haven't subscribed yet, guys, subscribe. Turn your notifications on that when I go live. We're almost at the 150 mark. Let's go. Yeah, you guys can wait for the New York Open, whatever you guys want to do. I always say that. Just because I'm doing something does not mean I'm always going to be right. Do you know what I mean? What's your guys' plan this weekend? What are the plans this weekend for all of you beautiful people? What are your plans this weekend? Me, I don't know yet what I'm doing. I'm still trying to decide whether I want to go to Paris or not on Monday. I don't... Paris, bro. My fiance is going to Paris. I'm still a bit like mixed emotions if I want to go or not, I won't lie. Yo, barbecue sound good though. Yeah. Sorry guys, it's so hot. I need to open my window more. I don't know what's going on. Yeah, because you know why I say barbecue? For my South African guys. I say barbecue. Guys, I'm going to add a little bit into my position, I won't lie. If we can flip green, I'm going to add a little bit more. Yeah.
Order fill.
I'm adding a bit more. Call me fucking crazy, but hey, I've got enough profit to put a little bit of risk on the table. I say barbecue because in France, braais don't exist. it's not a braai in France. Why? Because it doesn't. When you make a braai here, it doesn't smell the same, and it doesn't taste the same. So it's not a braai. It's a barbecue. That's why, and it's very disappointing for me, dude. How nice will it be, guys, if Nasdaq just keeps going? What I'm gonna do, guys, this New York stream, I'm gonna see if we do pump higher. I don't know if I'm gonna close partials on this trade, and I'll tell you why. I've taken 2 wins today. I might just go break even, and the reason I say that is I'm willing to take the risk of this trade, right? To see how much profit I can take out of it, because I would love to try hit $20,000 today on this account. But I'm saying this thing needs to fucking rocket ship to the moon, dude. Like, do you know what I mean? It needs to rocket ship. I don't even know if my stop is. Where's my stop? It's below the 50s. Yeah. Now the reason, guys, I've got my stop at, let me make it 400 so it's a rounded off number. Now the reason I've got my stop loss at like the 30s is because if we get back below the 40s, at the 50s, we could go lower. So price can jump around the 50s a bit more still. But let's see, man, what I'm gonna how I can't say yet how I'm gonna manage this trade. Like, once we get to all-time highs, I'll make the decision what I'm gonna do. You are the GOAT. Fuck, you know what? Not yet, I won't lie. There's a lot of things that I need to do before I'm the GOAT. I'm looking at buying a fucking supercar. When I have a supercar, then you can call me the GOAT. But I don't have a supercar yet. Now, I'm not the biggest car person, but I always said to myself, Cam, 2026, I need to buy myself a supercar. So I've been looking at an R8. I put it on my Twitter account the other day. Fuck me. It's casually $130,000 for this fucking thing. It's fucking expensive, I won't lie. But I'm thinking what I'm going to do, I'm going to deposit like 10k into a personal account, and I'm going to trade that to buy my supercar. I don't want to just fucking go take money out my bank right now because, nah, fuck that. Fuck that shit, dude. There's no ways I'm doing that for a fucking car. Like, nah. So if I'm going to buy myself a supercar, I need to, I want to do it. I want to flip 10 grand to like 120. Then I'll buy as my gift to myself, as an account flip. Because yeah, fuck, 30k out my bank account. Jeez, guys, fuck that shit. Do you know how many more payouts I'm going to need to get to fucking recover that? No ways, bro. No. Yeah. Come on, NQ, hit my stop loss for me. Do it, dude. Hit my stop loss for me, bro. Yeah, I mean, I could, I guess. That's actually fucking clever, I won't lie. I could probably trade this account to buy my supercar. That's very fucking smart, actually. I like that idea. I actually like that idea. I won't lie. But the problem is, there's only one thing. If I'm going to withdraw $120,000 out this one account, fuck, I love Thunderpro Futures with all of my heart, man. I'm going to be dead ass honest with you. They've never denied me a payout. But bro, requesting $120,000, unless it's fucking Top Step, do you know what I mean? But I don't know, dude. I don't know. Like, I'm not like, fuck. I don't know, man. I'm gonna have to probably, I won't be able to do one big request. I think I'm gonna have to do multiple smaller ones. Do you know what I mean? But that does not mean I can't use this account to buy a fucking supercar. Like, I can do it. I know I can do it. I just need to be very patient. It's gonna take a while. Like, in order for me to once I'm at the 20k mark, I can start increasing risk for sure. Like, I can start risking maybe $1,000 a trade, start making 2k a day, slowly grow the account to like 50k, and then start upping risk a lot more. Or what I can do, chat, I can just deposit into a personal broker like Tradeovate or something, and then I can trade that account. That's I like that idea more. I'd rather do a personal. I would rather deposit like 5 to 10k into a personal account, and I trade that account live on stream with you guys in York session every day. Do you know what I mean? And I grow that account for the supercar. There's a high chance I can probably get stopped out this long, man. There's a high chance I can get stopped out this long, guys. But it's okay. If I get stopped out, it's cool. I'll just find a re-entry after New York Open. Damn it. Fuck. Let's hope it holds, man. Let's hope this EMA holds right now. Yeah, I'm probably gonna get stopped out this, man. I didn't even look at gold, guys. I fucking should have looked at gold as well. Let's hope this EMA holds above her. Ten minutes until the New York Open. Daniel, nah, dude, the inside bars are a lot more powerful than in engulfing. In my opinion, from what I've seen. But that's just my opinion, you know. I hope I win too. I mean, let's see. Even if I don't win, I don't care. You know, I'm still green on the day. That's all that matters, man. Like, guys, let me tell you, you guys need to become obsessed with the risk management. If you become obsessed with your risk management, you will make it in trading. I'm telling you guys, you need to become obsessed with risk management. There we go. EMA trying to hold price, man. Fucking stay above the EMA, bro. Stay above the EMA. What's the time? Fuck. 8 minutes to go. If this is to stop me out, I don't care. I would rather this stop me out at New York Open. But I don't want this to stop me out and then New York Open comes and price fucking flies to the moon. You know? It'll irritate me. I want to just see price stay above EMA. New York Open comes and boom, we go. But we're gonna win it, guys. Fuck, if we win this trade, that will be the craziest. That'll be the craziest week ever, guys. This week was to end May like that is insane. Explain to us why I'm okay with losing what I manage. I'm okay with losing my trade because I've accepted that I'm a trader. Like, if you are not okay with losing, you're gonna really struggle becoming a profitable trader, guys. Like, seriously, you need to be okay with losing, because losing is what it's part of our job, right? Losing is part of our fucking job. And when I accepted a loss is normal, you are going to start being okay with taking a loss. And let me tell you right now, guys, if you take a loss and it affects you, you've either over-risked your trade or you revenge trade. If you've taken a loss and it hasn't affected you, you've managed your risk and you followed your plan. Oh yeah, baby, we're back above. We're back above. So yeah, that's why, brother. That's why. You need to be okay with losing. And you need to, and once you accept the fact that trading is probabilities, you're going to accept the fact that a loss is okay, man. Like, seriously. And fuck, at the end of the day, like, if I lose, I'm only losing $400 of my $17,000. Like, I don't care. But I'm not going to lose. So let's not talk about losing. Come on, bro. I'm joking. I'm joking. Yeah. Like, guys, who's in this trade? Is anybody else in the same trade as me? Who else has taken the same trade? 5 more minutes till New York Open. Yeah, guys, New York Open, we're going to fucking rocket to Pluto. We're going to absolutely rocket to Mars, bro. Or Pluto, whatever planet you call it. But I'm telling you, NQ's going for the moon now. I've got a feeling the weekly candle is going to close at an all-time high. I mean, fucking the daily candle, sorry, the daily. Yeah, Daniel for sure has the best entry. Three minutes, guys. Fuck, I feel like I'm trading NFP, I won't lie. I feel like I'm trading NFP, like I'm holding a trade over news, because New York Open is basically like news trading. I swear to God, guys. It's so fucking volatile, dude. I feel like I'm... Guys, 3 minutes until news hits, man. I won't lie, guys. Fuck, huh? Do you see how important stop loss placement is? If you understand where to put your stop loss, guys, you will be... Fuck, if I had my stop loss like 5 points higher, I would have like literally... I would have been stopped out. Yeah, baby. How you now that is gonna go by so confirm. I don't understand your message, brother. I'm sorry, man. I don't understand what you're saying. Okay, guys, I'm putting my now I'm moving my stop loss below this low. Right? Let's ride, baby. W trade, you guys know the vibe, huh? You guys, all-time highs, here we come. 1 minute, chat. 1 minute. Here we go, 1 minute until this New York Open hits. We're currently floating, how much, man? We're floating $250. Let's see, guys. We're going to fucking fly into all-time highs. We are going to fly into the all-time highs right now. Watch this go. Here we go. W trade, man. Let's hope it holds. Let's hope it holds above. That's all I care about. I don't want this thing to spike down. But let's see. Let's see. Get your fast seatbelts ready, man. Get them fastened. Yeah, I'm leaving my stop there, guys. I don't want to... Okay, fuck it. I'm going break even, chat. I'm going break even. W trade, man. Woo! All-time highs. Let's go, baby. Let's go, baby. Fuck yeah, dude. Look at this trade. Oh my god. Oh my god. 450s. I called the 450s, right? Let's see if we can hit the 450s. 450s. Oh no, don't you dare reverse on me. No, 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 no. Go up, go up, go up. There you go. Come on, stay above, stay above, stay above, stay above. Hell yeah, chat. Hell yeah. W trade, man. Guys, I won't lie. I'm going to close off 5. I'm selling 5.
Order fill.
I'm selling 5. I'm closing at least 50% of my position. I'm closing 50% of my position. I will be an idiot not to do that. Now we're holding. Let's ride. Let's see if we go for the 450s, man. Let's see if we get the 450s, bro. Let's see if we get those 450s, bro. Oh my god. Check this thing rip, dude. Look at this thing rip. I told you guys, bro, trading is so fucking easy, dude. Trading is so easy. You really, 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 really need to understand. Yo, what a flippin' trade, chat. W's in the chat. Come on, bro. Yo, guys, I swear this week we've taken 15 wins. Something, I need to look. Holy smokes, chat. Oh my, 450s, we coming for it. We coming. Yo, guys, we're almost on $18,000. 18 grand. No, guys, seriously. Fuck. You don't understand the feeling of what it feels like when trading becomes so simple, bro. Like, it's insane the feeling when you've simplified it so much, but it becomes so effective. Yeah. Okay, we're rejecting. We need to hold above the 400s, guys. If we can hold above those 400s, we should see price push to those 450s, and I'm closing out full position now. I want to see price hit those 400s, and I'm closing out full position. You'll be stupid not to. I won't even lie. Yo, Sean, congrats, brother, man. Fucking crazy, dude. Congrats to the guys that are still in this trade with me. No. I mean, this, I won't lie, guys. Just get a beer right now. Get a beer. Cheers. This has been a great week. This week has been an unbelievable week, man. It's been a great week. Ah, come on, hold above that all-time high. I need to see price get back above this 400s, man. Price does need to get back above this 400s, chat. There we go. We're trying to get back above. Let's get back above. There, we're almost there. Get back. Hold above. Hold above it, no. It's struggling, bro. Price is struggling to get back above the 400s, man. I'm glad you're learning a lot, brother. I'm glad you're learning a lot, dude. Ah, Becky. Becky. Much love. Enjoy your beer, man. Enjoy your beer. I'm enjoying my beer too. Guys, get a beer. Relax. It's Friday. It's Friday. Just to let you know, guys, it's not the morning by me. I know for the Americans it's quite early. But it's currently, what's the time? It is 3:30 in the afternoon, so I'm allowed a beer. Oh. Yeah, guys, price is struggling to hold above those 400s. Okay, we're getting the second push up. Buyers are trying to get back above again. Yo, these buyers are stronger. These buyers are stronger. Come on, blast through those 400s. We're going for the 450s, baby. Let's go. Your 400s is testing, huh? There we go. We're above the 400s now. There we go. We should we should go to the 450s, chat. Let's go. Let's go. Come on. Hit those 450s. Jeez, what a fucking week. Guys, I'm trailing my stop, guys. I'm trailing my stop under this 5-minute candle. Fuck it. I don't want to see price fail the 400s again. 450s. Come on, let's go. Ren, I don't check other equities, bro. I just look at NQ, dude. I don't understand why people do it. People, I get why some of them do it, but at the same time, you're just overcomplicating it, bro. NASDAQ is all you need. NASDAQ and a good strategy that's simple. That's all you need. Becky, we are going to 450. Not, I think. Be confident. Be confident. We are going to 450s. Yeah? We are going. Say to yourself, we are going because the strategy says so. Say it again. Type it in the chat and you're going to see we're going to hit it. If you speak it into existence, it's going to happen. Now we're going to go, man. The 400s. Price is holding above the 400s right now. What a trade. Let's go. 450s, man. Come on. Oh, sorry. I wake you up, my gooks. 450s. Let's go. So I scared my dog. Come on. Come on. Come on, my gooks. Come on. Ah. Let's go. I gave you a fright. Come here, B. We are going 450. You see that you said it now? Watch us hit 450. Watch us hit the 450s just because you said it. Oh my. Come on, let's go, baby, chat. Let's go, chat. Ultra focused. Now let's Caleb. Let's hope we hold above high of the day. Let's hope we hold above that high of the day. Let's hold above it, man. Let's hold above it. Come on, squeeze that last 20 points. 20 points, bro. 20 points, come on. "20 points in Q." Oh, you know what, guys? Honestly, I'm so like tempted. Do I just close? It's really taking a long time, huh? Do I close? Do I close? Nah. I'm up how much? $700 right now. You know what?
Order fill.
I'm out. Guys, I'm out. What a trade. Oh my god. Now it's going to go hit the 450s. Yeah, I'm out, guys. Jeez. $2,000 Friday, baby. Guys, come on, man. Yes. Their 450s have just been hit in 5 points to go. 5 more points to go. Or 10 points. Holy smokes, guys. What a week, man. What a week. All of you guys have made a shit ton of money, huh? Following the strategy. 450s has just been hit. I called it. There you go. Yeah. Guys, get out. Close your trades. Get out the trade, man. Get out of your trades. Close. It's not financial advice, but close your fucking trade. Like, get out. Enjoy your Friday. We've taken like 15 bloody wins this week, bro. Like, mental. Great job, everybody, man. Great job. Guys, we are back on... Oh, look at this fucking NQ go, dude. We are back on Monday. Man. We are trading it's two streams a week. 2 streams a week, man. Can everybody just put W's in the chat, man? Come, everybody, before we leave this stream, let's spam the chat right now. Hit the W's. Hit them W's, chat. Come on, let's spam the shit before we end this Friday. Fuck you guys, I love you all. I love you all so much, man. Every single one of you guys. Guys, if you would like to join my free community, check the link of this. Check the bio of the stream. Just scroll down. You'll see in the stream bio, there's a link to my free Discord. Please, can you guys come and post all of your wins there, man? Come share your wins with me. Come share your payouts. Come share all of your successful achievements in trading. I have some really, really exciting things I'm about to be dropping soon for all of you, man. And I'm working really hard on something right now. I will be dropping a course. I'm saying it. I will be dropping a course in the next 2 weeks, guys. And let me tell you right now, this course is going to be fucking life-changing. I'm putting my heart and soul into it for you guys. And the most exciting part, it's going to be extremely, extremely affordable. It's a one-time payment. And it's not going to be a lot, guys, at all. At all. And I'm giving you my blueprint to become a profitable trader. So, with that being said, this is going to be dropping in the next 2 weeks. And it's going to be the most affordable thing out there. I don't want money from it. That's why it's going to be extremely affordable. I'm not saying the price yet, but you guys will be getting a 50% off the course the minute I drop it. And I will be giving you guys the code the minute I drop it. All of you guys on my stream, you will be getting 50% off. But that's something we don't need to worry about now, because I'm already giving out you, I'm basically already teaching you guys so much valuable knowledge live on stream that I am so happy to do right now. But there are a lot of things that you guys have not seen yet. So with that being said, guys, join the Discord. You'll get all the latest information there, what's coming up soon. Yeah. Make sure you've subscribed, chat. Make sure you have subscribed. Make sure you've turned on your notifications for when I go live. Yeah. And tag me in your Instagram stories, man. If you guys are posting your profits, whatever it may be, tag me. I'll share you guys. I will share your stories. South African Rand affordable. Yes, it is South African Rand affordable. It's going to be really, really, really good price, guys. Don't worry about that. Yeah. Yeah, I can't wait to share it. Honestly, it's going to be fucking crazy. You guys have no idea what's coming. But anyways, I love you all so much. Guys, have an amazing weekend. Thank you for spending every day with me for 4 hours a day. I love you all so much. And walk away from the charts, man. You've had a great week with me. And yeah, see you guys Monday on Funder Pro YouTube channel, man. First thing Monday morning. Peace and love, my beautiful, beautiful traders. Cheers.